some maintenance on Pop's saw. Had to fit a new handle. As you can see, the new bolts, tools on the blade. We've got the old one. He cut this off a a tree branch, and it split. So let's go over here and finish this cut. Let's put some WD-40 on it. Give it a bit of a wedge, keep that open, and let's see what it does. And there it is, folks. It's a clean cut. It's cutting well, and with the new handle, far better. Cutting far better. There it is.